Hi, my name is Elizabeth Miller, um, and I have a lot of experience in the field. I have been in the social work field for going on 9 years now, post my bachelor's degree. Um, and I've worked with all kinds of populations, from adults to infants, adolescents, and for different reasons. I've worked with individuals timing out on their cash benefits from welfare. I've worked with parents um, who are currently working with Child Protection Services and are in need of parenting classes and supervised visits with their children. And most recently, I'm a mobile response worker for youth in crisis. Um, so all within the social work field, just with different populations and for different reasons. Um, And then my first field placement was functional family therapy, FFT. So my first field placement was highly clinical, which was tremendous. I got great experience from that, and I learned an evidence-based model, which now I will always be able to have. Um, so my goals for further developing into a clinical social worker um, would just be having even more clinical practice. So I'm hoping for my second field placement to be in an outpatient setting and um, become trained in PCIT, parent-child interaction therapy. So it's another evidence-based model, and then also assisting with social skills and DBT groups. So really, my goal is to just have more experience and more familiar with different models and choosing what's appropriate for what client. Um, some challenges that I definitely foresee is just keeping track of all of the different models and making sure that, I don't want to be like a cookie cutter therapist where every client gets the same standardized treatment with the same therapy modalities. Um, I definitely want to make sure that I'm not doing that. So I think that's going to be a challenge, just keeping all the different therapy models straight and choosing what would be best for each unique needs of each client. Um, but I really am excited about this class and then about upcoming field placement as well, just to further develop my skills and experience as a clinical social worker.